Hello, good morning. Welcome to Marty's Monday Minute. I'm Marty Reeder with Team Marti and John L. Scott Real Estate. Every Friday, I post, since my office is in the Kent-Covington area, I post on social media a market update for Kent and Covington. Now I can customize this for wherever you live, and if you want that information, just message me directly so I can get that for you. This does show that we are in the summer months. Real estate is going very strong locally. I can attest to 2 listings I just put on, many showings for the one, many showings for the other one, including multiple offers. That's because it's an entry-level priced home that was totally dialed in, and everybody wants, there's so many people at that base price point that need that kind of house. So sellers have a task in front of them to figure that out. I want to share with you today 3 different recent surveys that actually highlight that while the country is still dealing with the COVID pandemic, real estate has recovered nationally, and then I can speak to locally for certain. I'll be quoting for you a few things here. We've got Ivy Zellman's Real Estate Broker Survey. This month's overall home buyer demand rating was easily the strongest sequential gain in survey history. Strength continues to be led by the entry level, while high-end demand is less robust. But I will tell you that I have sold 2 homes just priced under $1 million for their asking price. All that takes is 1 qualified buyer who wants that beautiful home. And then, of course, we've just talked about there are many at the entry-level price. We just need more of those listings to meet the need. 2, National Association of Homebuilders Housing Market Index. Housing Market Index. In a strong signal that the housing market is ready to lead a post-COVID economic recovery, builder confidence in the market for newly built single-family homes jumped 14 points to 72 in July, according to the latest National Association of Home Builders / Wells Fargo Index. The HMI now stands at the solid pre-pandemic reading in March before the outbreak affected the nation. Then Realtor.com Housing Market Recovery Index says the U.S. housing market has recovered from the immediate disruption caused by the COVID pandemic and returned to January 2020 growth levels. So that's the answer to the question, how's real estate doing? Many believe that real estate is actually going to lead us out of the economic crash we've experienced. There's so many jobs affected, so much spending that's involved in the transacting of real estate, not just like the part I play role in, there's a ton, but then when the buyer or seller, they move and they go do more spending. It's very good and healthy for the economy. So bottom line is real estate brokers, home builders, industry data all agree that the housing market has surged back to pre-COVID point. So that's great news for us, healthy for the economy, and home ownership is always healthy for our communities. Thank you for joining me. Let me know if I can answer any questions for you. Thanks a lot.